Is your 2012 to 2017 Buick Verano key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video will show you how to replace it quickly and easily. The Verano key fob uses a CR232 battery, a widely available and inexpensive coin cell. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or your thumbnail. First, locate the notch or seam on the back of the key fob near the key ring. Carefully pry the case open, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches. Some models might have a slide release tab. Once open, note the orientation of the battery, positive side up. Gently remove the old battery and replace it with a new CR2032, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the case shut and test the remote functions like locking, unlocking from a short distance. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, there are a few things you can check. First, ensure the battery is installed correctly and is a CR232 battery. Incorrect replacements can cause malfunctions due to voltage mismatches. Then, inspect the battery contacts for corrosion, which can be cleaned with rubbing alcohol. If these steps don't work, you may need to reprogram the key fob using your car's Driver Information Center, DIC. Consult your owner's manual for instructions. Replacing the battery every 2 to 3 years as preventive maintenance can help avoid unexpected lockouts. Remember to properly dispose of the old battery as they contain hazardous materials.